Hi everyone, my name is Simon. So I'll be doing a demo about my personal project, which is a continuation from my first year project, which only shows the design but doesn't implement it. So I already implemented it and added some new function, which is the the OSPF, the VLAN, the ACL, and the NAT. Okay, so before we start, just in case if you guys want to do this project, you can download it from the GitHub, and this got called personal project also in the GitHub. And you need to and in case you want to do it on your own, you can get the IP from section 2 personal project file. I'll list it here and implement it into your project. So without wasting our time, let's demo the project. So to confirm the first implementation is the dynamic routing. Dynamic routing, we use the OSPF. So OSPF is applied to all the router here, but this for router also has an extra static routing, which is the floating static route we use as a backup. So to see the demo, I will show on this one. So as you can see, from here we can see it is already in full state for the OSPF. So I will show the floating static route first. As you can see, this have floating static route. This also have floating static route, which shows the destination, the hop. Okay, these four have floating static route, and that's why because it is a tangle like this. Just in case if one is down, another one can be the replacement. So for the OSPF, we use the show IP route, and as you can see, there is O here, which shows the OSPF, and this one is for the NAT. We will show later, which is the external type. Okay, so all of the router here have this OSPF in the show IP route. Okay, so second one is the VLAN. So for VLAN, I implemented it on all of the switch. Okay, as you can see, from fast Ethernet 1 to fast Ethernet 10 is VLAN 10. So if you connect a PC from fast Ethernet 11, you cannot access this router LAN. Okay, so to demo it, we will try it here. So we try to ping the router Cisco because it is in the same VLAN. Okay, we go here, command prompt, and try to get router Cisco man gateway, this one. Try to. Okay, as you can see, it is successful, which shows that the VLAN works perfectly here. Okay, so we go to the next one, which is the NAT. So the NAT is they translate the IPv4 address from inside to the outside. So this is the router that become the border, which will translate all the IP here to the ISP as a different device. So first of all, let's ping the ISP first. See if we can access the outside. We try from the embedded lab. Ping. So as you can see, it is successful, which is the outside IP. And how do we confirm this? We go here. Oh, as you can see, I already did before, just in case we can demo again. So as you can see, it is working. This is the inside IP, which is this part. As you can see, the network here, 172.18.3, and it is translated to outside as this 200.200.2, and the port, which is port address translation. Okay, so the NAT is working, and finally let's test the ACL here. So there are two policies that I implemented in this personal project, which is to block all the room here from accessing the video conference room, but video conference room can access the outside. So let's try to ping the PC in the video conference room. So we take the IP here and try PC lab. Okay, as you can see, destination host is unreachable. We try from the same floor. Okay, destination host is unreachable. Okay, so what about if we try to ping other PC? IPv4 address. So we didn't implement this ACL in Cisco, right? In Cisco lab, as you can see, it is working. But what if we ping from here, which block from outside? It should work because as you can see, even though the outside can ping, inside of the room can ping. This also applies the same for the student launch, which is if the student connect to the access point here, they can access other devices from the room. Okay, so I think that's all for the demo. And if you guys want to try this project out, do download this packet tracer in the GitHub, or you can do it by yourself and use the table in the file as a guide, the routing table, and then you can try this testing, all these tests here. This is all that we did in the video just now, and I think that's all from me. Thank you very much.